Nah, she's wrong for that.
He said, Daddy, more ride, I'm carry him. You know? I say, you love us, and say, yeah. I mean, never know how him really love us, you know? But God, you understand?
Listen, he said what he said, and I heard what he said. That's it.
Any more we are jump body, turn up your foot firm. If you're not jump body, jump, yeah. Hold on.
Yo, man, jump your frig right now. Yeah, go jump too. The fireman still got it, you know. Watch this. But talk it through. Who win the jumping contest? Me or the fireman? Tell me in the comment section. You really can't bring Jamaicans go nowhere, you know. Watch this.
So you tell me I left my bumbo clad yard now. To travel whole fucking far, come look on a piece of old iron with blood clot, one candle light in it up it. And this? Eh? I see one rascal rat a while ago, big like a rascal, one dog named Stranger, what me have? Kuya, one piece of old iron to rascal, me left my yard. If you come watch one like a pussy clock candle in it up it. See that? That's it, be a nut and bolt.
Yo, me love Jamaica, you know, but Jamaica one big crab in a barrel place. Watch this.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Good. You're not excuse the law. If the sword that stop you, you stop. If the sword that stop you, stop. You say, if the sword that stop you, you stop, sir. You're not coming and move the barrier.
How much time in your whole life you ever have sex in a condo? Who? You, John?
I can't replace that now. I can replace that. If you're under to me to replace.
Yeah,
Okay.
but through my checks say you did do it less. So it's something you could have just
All right, right.
You know?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
You can't call for your finger them.
You sound like...
Yeah,
you
can you
do it
sound
less. Yeah, you do that less. You understand?
I get your drift.
Right. Yes, sir.
Answer a question,
Answer my question. Me answer me in my words already, sir.
Can't recall.
Me answer. You know, I want to in. I want to in.
Me watch the video 100 times, and I know me not hear Johnny answer a question, but he say answered in a few more words. But I say he can't replace that now. I guess Johnny meant he can't recall. But from the looks of it and the sound of it, Johnny don't even know what a condom is.
Plane!
Father, I don't say work. You have to buy a ticket and then go to airport, then go through immigration and customs, and then you say, plane.
This man!
Listen me, if a next man pick me up like that, you not see me back a road. You not see me on the internet. You not seeing me nowhere. Me even start go to work. Me just stay inside of my house. What?
Welcome to Creek we outside.
I'll be up full up that dance that's rotted.